what I'm gonna do today, I got another 144001 in from Banggood. And I'm not going to do an official unboxing on this. What I want to show you is for people that have never ordered anything. I just want you to have some kind of an idea how they show up. You have to excuse my voice. I am having voice issues. This one, I think, was delivered by a gorilla or something. I don't know. Looks kind of rough. So we're going to open it up real quick. I'm going to shut up and fast forward this. Here's a place I can slow down. This got beat up pretty bad in shipping. So in general, these are packaged really well on the inside. So we'll take a look together and see. Oh yeah, plenty of room here where the smashes were. So everything looks good. I'll shut up and fast forward through getting this out of the box. Just a really brief overview for anybody that hasn't seen this car already. It's got aluminum shocks. It's 4-wheel drive, 1/14 scale. Comes with a 2S battery. It's a brushed 550 motor, and I think it's a pretty neat car. So what I'm going to do, it comes with an owner's manual. There is a parts list, a full parts list for the car in the back. So if you need to order parts or whatever, it looks like this one is towed out just a little bit, but the tie rods are adjustable. So I'll adjust that. Comes with actually a pretty decent charger depending on what you put into it on your USB. It says it has a 2000 milliamp output. I haven't tested that to see what it's doing. Comes with a plastic 4-way wrench. Not real fond of the plastic ones, but what I am planning to do, I got 2 of these, and I'm gonna put a GPS on it. We've got too much ice and stuff to do it right now. My roads are just basically ski jumps everywhere. So my intention is to put a GPS on both of these cars, both of them on 2S. I might try it on 3S depending on how the 2S turns out. I can't do it today because of the weather. So just kind of getting everybody up to speed. I bought a brushless setup, a 2845. We've got a 35 amp ESC. The little servo came in, but the radio hasn't come in yet, so I can't do it. Both of these are going to do a speed test. Then we're going to do a brushless conversion on one of the cars. No idea which one I'm going to do yet, and just see what they do. But I want to see 2 of them stock out of the box, how close they are in performance to each other. So if you want to keep up with this, subscribe, and I'll get on it as quick as I can. I do have a day job. This is not how I make my living. So I appreciate all the subscribers I currently have, and I appreciate everybody that may be future subscribers, and I'll get on this as quick as I can. So thanks everybody for watching. Just wanted to keep the people that are already on track with what I'm doing in the loop. So appreciate it. Have a great day, and we'll catch you later.